Greetings, library patrons. My name is Jeff. I'm with the York County Library, your community link. And in this video, we're going to continue looking at RBdigital, specifically some of their education and entertainment options. To begin, you should be logged into your account at RBdigital. I'm going to give you a minute to do that if you are not logged in. Once you are logged into your account, you'll want to go over to the upper left-hand corner, click on the little 3-bar menu there, which opens a menu. You can see this menu. I'll encourage you to explore all of the different sections in this menu, but they allow you to check out various items. We're going to look at magazines first today. And you can see there's lots of popular magazines. Let's say I want to check out Time magazine, or this is called Time Bookazines. Let's go ahead and check that out. Now once I click on checkout, it takes a minute because it's very graphic intensive. It opens this confirmation box. I can keep browsing, I can read now, and I can click here automatically check out the next issue. I can also just go ahead and click this X to get rid of that confirmation box. And I can either read the magazine or return it. If I read it now, it opens in a new tab in a reader. Now you can navigate this reader by clicking on the arrows, back and forth arrows, you can see. Or you can also use the forward arrow key to go forward and the back arrow key to go back on your keyboard. If you need to make the articles bigger, if you're having a tough time seeing these small print, and who wouldn't, you can do one of two things. You can either click down here on this little magnifying glass icon, and that you can see that makes it much easier to read. Or if you have a 3-button mouse and you have a scroll wheel, you can also use that to scroll in and out and enlarge the type. You can also move it around. If you grab the page with your left mouse button and hold it down, you can move it around in your browser. So if you want to make the type really easy to read, you can move it around in your browser and read it that way. You can also read these magazines on the RBdigital app, and of course they are available at the various app stores. We're going to close that now, and we're going to return this magazine, and we're going to go back, and we're going to go up here again to the menu, and we're going to go next to entertainment. Once I click on that, you can see it has Acorn TV, the great courses, independent films, concerts, and Spanish movies and TV. Any of these, we're not going to look at each of these, we're just going to look at a couple, but they're all basically, they work kind of the same way. Acorn TV, again, this is a pay for service, but because you have a York County Library card, you can get it for free through RBdigital, and you can get it on your TV if you can get the RBdigital app on your TV. Now, I will say this, I know that this works with a Roku TV because I've used it. There is an RBdigital channel for Roku TV. I just sign into RBdigital on my TV, and I have access to Acorn TV for free. And so it should be available if you have an Apple TV or an Android TV. It should be available, but you'll need to check your specific brand and see if you can get the RBdigital app and or RBdigital channel on your television if you want to watch this on your television. Otherwise, you can watch it on any device that has an RBdigital app on it. You can watch any of these shows. If I click on a place to call home, you can see I could just check that out. And you now have unlimited access to all of Acorn TV for 7 days. So I've got 7 days to watch anything at Acorn TV. Once that 7 days is over, I can just go back and check out anything on Acorn TV. It's just it's a limit for the library, but again, there is no monthly limit. Once that 7 days is over, I can always just go back and recheck out things. Checking out Acorn TV is kind of like checking out items. I can just recheck it out. So if I wanted to access Acorn TV, I would click there, and it's going to bring up the Acorn TV site, and you can see that I'm already logged in because I'm logged in with RBdigital, and I can watch any of these shows. I can go ahead and watch episode 1. I'd click on that and just click on play, and it will start playing. And again, if I have the RBdigital app, whatever device I have that on, I can access it the same way. I can access Acorn TV through RBdigital that way for 7 days. And again, once that 7 days is over, you can just come back and do the same thing all over again. Just check out our Acorn TV, and you've got another 7 days. So if I hit return, I'm going to return that service, and we're going to go back up to the menu, and we're going to look at education. The Great Courses, one of my favorite things. The Great Courses is a wonderful, again, it is a paid for service that you would normally have to pay for, but these are wonderful courses that you can watch. They're lecture courses that you can watch on any number of subjects, as you can see, and you access it basically the same way you would access. Let's go to English Grammar Boot Camp. I know not many people are going to want to see that lecture, but just for the heck of it, click on Checkout. And again, it says I have unlimited access to all of them for 7 days. It works just like Acorn TV. Once that 7 days is over, I can always just come back and check it out again. That opens the Great Courses Literary Collection, and you can see you can just watch any of these. I would click on any of these to watch it. I can watch the trailer, or again, I can watch the first lecture. And you just click on that, and it opens. Click on play, and there we go. So these are great options that are available through RBdigital. Again, for free if you're a library patron. All you need is an RBdigital account. There are other options available as well under entertainment. You can also get concerts and independent films, Spanish and movie TV. I will let you explore those. Again, if you have any questions, you can either check out the help section, and if that does not answer your question, you can always send us a question via our Contact Us link, or you can also contact RBdigital down at the bottom of any page. You can hit that contact link, and you can see you can email them or call them and get support. All right, that is RBdigital. They have some great stuff that you can't get anywhere else for free. I hope this video has been helpful, and join us for the next video where we're going to take a look at some of our another one of our fantastic online services, a couple of them actually. But in the meantime, keep using our digital products, online products and services, and stay safe, and we'll see you next time.